Agaricus muscarius from Allen's keynotes, toadstool fungi. Persons with light hair, skin and muscle slacks, old people with weak indolent circulation, drunkards, especially for their headaches, bad effects after a debauch. Delirium with constant raving, tries to get out of bed in typhoid or typhus. Headaches of those who readily become delirious in fever or with pain. Of persons subject to chorea, twitchings of grimaces from spinal affections, chilblains that itch and burn intolerably, frostbite, and all consequences of exposure to cold, especially in face, involuntary movements while awake, cease during sleep, chorea from simple motions and jerks of single muscles to dancing of whole body, trembling of whole body, sensation as if ice touched or ice cold needles were piercing the skin as from hot needles, burning, itching, redness of various parts, ears, nose, face, hands and feet, parts red, swollen, hot. Uncertainty in walking, stumbles over everything in the way, feels pain as if beaten when standing. Spine sensitive to touch, worse mornings. Pain, sore, aching in lumbar and sacral regions during exertion in the daytime while sitting. Spinal irritation due to sexual excesses, nervous prostration after sexual debauches, epilepsy from suppressed eruptions. Every motion, every turn of body causes pain in spine. Single vertebra sensitive to touch. Prolapsus post climacteric, bearing down pain almost intolerable. Compare Lilium murex sepia. Extremely sensitive to cold air, Calcarea, Calicab, Sorinum. Complaints appear diagonally, upper left and lower right side. Antimtat, Stamonium, upper right, lower left. Bromium, phosphorus, sulfuric acid. Relation similar to Calcarea, Cannabis indica, Hyoscyamus, Caliphos, Lachesis, Nux, Opium, Stramonium in delirium of alcoholism, zinc in chorea. Aggravation after eating, after coitus, cold air, mental application before a thunderstorm, phosphorus, sorinum. From Boric materia medica, Agaricus muscarius, Amanita, toadstool, bug agaric. This fungus contains several toxic compounds, the best known of which is muscarine. The symptoms of poisoning do not develop at once, usually 12 to 14 hours elapse before the initial attack. There is no antidote treatment, entirely symptomatic. Agaricus acts as an intoxicant to the brain, producing more vertigo and delirium than alcohol, followed by profound sopor with lowered reflexes. Jerking, twitching, trembling, and itching are strong indications. Incipient phthisis is related to the tubercular diathesis, anemia, chorea, twitching seizures during sleep. Various forms of neuralgia and spasmodic affections and neurotic skin troubles are pictured in the symptomatology of this remedy. It corresponds to various forms of cerebral excitement rather than congestion. Thus, in delirium of fevers, alcoholism, etc., general paralysis, sensation as if pierced by needles of ice, sensitive to pressure and cold air, violent bearing down pains, symptoms appear diagonally as right arm and left leg. Pains are accompanied by sensation of cold, numbness, and tingling. Mind sings, talks but does not answer. Loquacity, aversion to work, indifference, fearlessness, delirium characterized by singing, shouting, and muttering. Rhymes and prophecies begins with paroxysm of yawning. The provings bring out four phases of cerebral excitement. 1. Slight stimulation shown by increased cheerfulness, courage, loquacity, exalted fancy. Second, more decided intoxication, great mental excitement and incoherent talking, immoderate gaiety alternates with melancholy. Perception of relative size of objects is lost, takes long steps and jumps over small objects as if they were trunks of trees. A small hole appears as a frightful chasm, a spoonful of water an immense lake. Physical strength is increased, can lift heavy loads, with it much twitching. Third, third stage produces a condition of furious or raging delirium, screaming, raving, wants to injure himself. 4. Fourth stage mental depression, languor, indifference, confusion, disinclination to work. We do not get the active cerebral congestion of belladonna, but a general nervous excitement such as is found in delirium tremens, delirium of fevers. Head, vertigo from sunlight and on walking, head in constant motion, falling backward as if a weight in occiput, lateral headache as if from a nail, dull headache from prolonged desk work, icy coldness like icy needles or splinters, neuralgia with icy cold head, desire to cover head warmly, headache with nosebleed or thick mucus discharge, eyes, reading difficult as type seems to move to swim, vibrating specters, double vision, dim and flickering asthenopia from prolonged strain, spasm of accommodation, twitching of lids and eyeballs, margins of lids red, itch and burn and agglutinate, inner angles very red. Ears, burn and itch as if frozen, twitching of muscles about the ear and noises. Nose, nervous nasal disturbances, itching internally and externally, spasmodic sneezing after coughing, sensitiveness, watery, non-inflammatory discharge. Inner angles very red, fetid, dark, bloody discharge. Nosebleed in old people, sensation of soreness in nose and mouth. Face. Facial muscles feel stiff, twitch. Face itches and burns. Lancinating, tearing pain in cheeks as of splinters. Neuralgia as if cold needles ran through nerves or sharp eyes touched them. Mouth. Burning and smarting on lips, herpes on lips, twitching, taste sweet, aphty on root of mouth, splinter like pains in tongue, thirsty all the time. Tremulous tongue, tongue white. Throat. Stretches along eustachian tube to ear. Feels contracted. Small solid balls of phlegm thrown up. Dryness of pharynx. Swallowing difficult. Scratching in throat. Cannot sing a note. Stomach. Empty rustations. Tasting of apples. Nervous disturbances with spasmodic contractions. Hiccup. Unnatural hunger, flatulent distension of stomach and abdomen, profuse indorous flatus, burning in stomach about 3 hours after a meal, changing into a dull pressure, gastric disturbance with sharp pains in liver region. Abdomen, stitching pains in liver, spleen and abdomen, stitches under short ribs left side, diarrhea with much fetid flatus, fetid stools. Urinary, stitches in urethra, sudden and violent, urgent to urinate, frequent urination. Female, menses increased earlier, itching and tearing, pressive pains of genitals and back, spasmodic dysmenorrhea, severe bearing down pains, especially after menopause, sexual excitement, nipples itch, burn, complaints following parturition and coitus, leukorrhea with much itching. Respiratory organs, violent attacks of coughing that can be suppressed by effort of will, worse eating, pain in head while cough lasts. Spasmodic cough at night after falling asleep with expectoration of little balls of mucus. Oppressed breathing, cough ends in a sneeze. Heart, irregular tumultuous palpitation after tobacco, pulse intermittent and irregular, cardiac region oppressed as if thorax were narrowed, palpitation with redness of face, back, pain with sensitiveness of spine to touch, worse in dorsal region, lumbago, worse in open air, crick in back, twitching of cervical muscles, extremities. stiff all over, pain over hips, rheumatism, better motion, weakness in loins, uncertain gait, trembling, itching of toes and feet as if frozen, cramp in soles of feet, pain in shin bone, neuralgia in locomotor ataxia, paralysis of lower limbs with spasmodic condition of arms, numbness of legs on crossing them, paralytic pain in left arm followed by palpitation, tearing painful contractions in the calves, skin, burning, itching, redness and swelling as from frost bites, pimples hard like flea bites, miliary eruption with intolerable itching and burning, chilblains, angioneurotic edema, rosacea, swollen veins with cold skin, circumscribed erythematous, papular and pustular and edematous lesions. Sleep. Paroxysms of yawning, restless from violent itching and burning, on falling asleep, starts, twitches, and awakes often. Vivid dreams, drowsy in daytime, yawning followed by involuntary laughter. Fever, very sensitive to cool air, violent attacks of heat in evening, copious sweat, burning spots. Modalities: worse open cold air after eating, after coitus, in cold weather, before a thunderstorm. Worse pressure on dorsal spine which causes involuntary laughter. Better moving about slowly. It antidotes absinthe, coffea, camphor. Dose 3rd to 30th and 200th potency. In skin affections and brain exhaustions, give the lower attenuations.